Hi everyone. So you must have heard the recent news that Goa government has opened up our state for tourism amidst the pandemic, and from this I was thinking that why not all of us make the most of it. And I was thinking about how to go about setting up a business which is very lucrative. You get very good returns and you don't have to worry much about the taxation bit on it. So let me put the proposal up in front of you. So I was thinking that since we already have a few casinos on land operating for several years now, why not all of us who have like restaurants or even at our homes, why can't we get licenses to start home casinos? So kind of like cottage industry casinos all over Goa. So kind of that would help us become more atmanirbhar, because that is the message given by the government that we have to take care of ourselves. We are not going to get aid, so we should not hold that against the government. Instead we should find out ways. So I would like suggestions from people who are on my list, who have a legal background or who've worked with the government closely. Let's find out ways of how to get these casino licenses at an individual level. So maybe we can put up like a few poker tables or something or the other, wherever we are, in our homes or in our eateries or joints or hotels. It would help us earn and support ourselves. And casinos, while they're operating, just exactly a year ago, India's Director General of GST had done a survey and found out that the casinos in Goa and Sikkim had evaded taxes to the tune of 6,500 crores. So, isn't that like the best form of business that you make tons and tons of money in crores and not end up paying the amount of tax that you're supposed to pay? So I took inspiration from that, and I thought, why not? Democratically, the rule of law applies to everybody in our country, right? So if a few people can get licenses to run casinos, why shouldn't it be democratically opened up for everybody? We can start it up. And Goa is famous for its hospitality. We like entertaining people and all. So just as restaurants have bar licenses, we should be able to get licenses for casinos as well. And we'll be on the kinder side, and we will also give part of the money to the government, because they're pretty bankrupt at the moment, about to the tune of 24,000 crores in debt. So we'll give them some money also, so that they earn also. But it's still harping on the idea of being atmanirbhar. We should be all having the power to stand up on our feet. And why not do it through a business which is so good? So good, you earn so much money through it. And another beautiful aspect of it, that if we all start getting individual casino licenses and start earning through that, the money stays with us in our state, because the casino owners are not Goans. For our Goenka Pond, start casinos at our homes and our restaurants and community places, and we all start earning through it. The money at least will stay with us, instead of going to people who don't even live here, who are not supposedly Goans. So I would like to hear from you. Please do let me know what you think about this. I know it might kind of sound stupid, but I've been thinking about this. Because being a normal business person, we have to pay such high taxes through our nose all the time. So why not put up something where we are not bogged down by paying so much taxes? And democratically, we should deserve to get license for casinos, right? For our homes and our eateries and all that. So do comment and let me know what you think about this suggestion. Ciao.